The Garmin Venu 3S Smartwatch Kit features a stunning AMOLED display that offers vibrant colors and clear visibility, making it a pleasure to use in all lighting conditions. With an impressive battery life of up to 10 days, this smartwatch allows you to track your health and fitness without frequent recharging. The device excels in health monitoring, providing insights into heart rate, fitness age, stress levels, and even menstrual cycle tracking, ensuring comprehensive wellness management. A unique wheelchair mode is included, which tracks pushes instead of steps and offers specialized workouts for wheelchair users, demonstrating its inclusivity and adaptability. For fitness enthusiasts, the watch offers animated workouts for various activities such as strength training, cardio, and yoga, plus personalized Garmin Coach training plans. The smartwatch also supports music playback from popular providers, enabling you to enjoy your favorite tunes without needing your phone, adding to its convenience.